stock on the vertical walls of this pocket for finish machining. So I push input 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter stock is okay for me, and press reset, run. That's it. As you can see now, the stock on the walls is present. So we are ready for the next operation.